For manufacturing companies to be successful, it's not only important to provide products of high quality, but also ensure high system availability, and of course, functional safety for people. With the Quint Power 40A power supplies, Phoenix Contact provides maximum functionality for superior system availability. Adapt power supplies to your needs and order a personalized version from a batch order of one. For an easy installation process, simply transmit data to field devices and evaluate the process data via cloud. The new PLCnext Control unites openness and functionality all in one for applications with safety requirements in accordance with SIL 3. And PLCnext Engineer unites standard and safety applications in just one tool. Discover our solutions for your ideal production process here at Hannover Messe, or subscribe to our YouTube channel and be there live.